Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change clothes in Dude Theft Wars. If you want to change the clothes of your character in Dude Theft Wars, first of all, launch open the game on your device and on the main home page, go ahead and tap on the multiplayer button on the right corner. Once you're inside this multiplayer tab, tap on the customization button at the bottom left. And then you will enter the Dude shop. From here, you can go ahead and change your tops, bottoms, glasses, shoes, etc. To change your clothes, you can go ahead and select tops, change the color of your top and get back. Now select bottoms, choose the color of your bottom wear and click on back. You can also change your shoes by tapping on shoes, change the color of your shoes and click on glasses, and then you can also add in glasses for your character. But remember that not all of those glasses will be unlocked for you. You'll need to unlock them by making progress throughout the game. So that way you will be able to change your clothes in Dude Theft Wars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.